Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. I am your science teacher. Welcomes you all back to the another session of science online classes. Students, as we know that last videos we have watched, that is basis on of recapitulation. That is basis on of recapitulation for term 1. So today we have brought the chapter number 6. Today I have brought chapter number 6 for the recapitulation, so that what the question and answer will ask in your paper, that you may comfortable to do the answer. So before proceeding, as it is, you know very well what you have to do, that the things, use your headphone for a better listening and experiencing, take out the textbook and get ready for the class. Students, as we know that in last class in chapter number 7, what we have seen already, it was said that what the answer in detail questions given. It is question number 8. That will send by my side, that I will send you as a PDF file the written question answer. Okay. But what the question number 2nd? It is B. Answer briefly. That question only I will discuss. After that, you all have to answer by yourself. Are you getting my point? You have to answer by yourself. So be aware, students. It's important. First question is that what are physical changes? First question is that what are physical changes? Give examples. So students, it was question what are physical changes. I hope you should be remember while the classes was going. What is physical changes? Physical changes means their position, their shape, their size may be changed, not may be changed, must be changed. Okay. Until their shape, size, position change, we can't say that object has considered as a physical changes. Okay, students. So it means if I talk about physical changes, it means either their position, shape or size must be changed. Then we can say that that is physical changes. Give examples. Just see yourself surroundings. What type of examples may be there? Okay, and it is we can say that it is a reversible change. Physical change, it means reversible change. It can be re again back. Suppose to we are just freezing the water. What will be happen? What will be done? That freezing of water, whenever we will melt that ice, it means we can get again water. Okay, students? It means molecules will not change, only shape and size will change. So it is also reversible changes as well as physical changes. Okay, students? So see, what are chemical changes? If I talk about chemical changes, in chemical changes what happens, that molecule will be changed as well as a new substance will be formed. A new substance will be formed. Suppose to be, if I talk about as example, take chapati. You eat every day chapati. What happened in that? Till dough, making a dough of the flour. Okay. Do you think it is possible to reback, to convert into flour? Not possible. If supposed to be that the dough, the flour turn into a bread or chapati, do you think it is possible to turn back? No. So it is chemical change. It means it is permanent change. It is called permanent change. It cannot be reversed back. Okay. There are many more examples. Whenever you will see, so you will come to know there are many more examples. So it's needed your concentration or your attentivity. So it's all about only I am suggesting you how to write and what type of answers will be there. Okay. So, but students, be ensure before writing anything, your handwriting must be neat and clean, in visible handwriting. Okay. See, while a sprinkling water on a constructed wall. See, students, what the question is that? While a sprinkling water on a constructed wall, supposed to be somewhere a house is constructing under the construction. Okay. That house is that is wanted by the wall. Okay. See, a bag of cement got wet. A bag of cement is kept over there, that is became wet. Okay, wet means भीग गया, गीला हो गया. Okay, that mixed with water. Okay, students. See, next day it was kept outside in the sunlight. Next day we kept outside of the in the sunlight. See, can the change in cement be reversed? Do you think that cement can be reversed back? No, it will not change back. Okay. Now it is asking why. Why? Because it is what is chemical change. Okay. So in chemical change, it means that is a permanent change. As cement with the help of water, and after that it left in the sunlight. So what will happen? That powder will become solid. Number first thing, that powder will become solid, and it's not possible to get back into powder again. Okay, and if supposedly if it back after a long process, what the functions was there earlier, that uses of cement will not be there. So next question, give two examples from daily life experience where expansion and contraction of metals are utilized. Students, many more examples you can see, many more. You can say that number first, railway track. Okay, if you used to go by railway, by train, then you can also see that where the train is running, that is railway track. Okay, you will see that between two tracks few gapping was there. Why that gapping? Due to expansion and contraction. Okay. Second thing is that metal ring, that what we used to drive the car, drive the bicycle. So that rim is also made with metallic. Okay, students. So question number 5. Suppose it rained heavily in your area today. मान लो कि आज बारिश बहुत जबरदस्त हुई आपके एरिया में. ठीक है. उसके बाद देखिए क्या कह रहा है. टू गो टू अ स्कूल यू विल रिमूव योर शूज. मान लो आप स्कूल जाने के लिए आपको जूते निकालने पड़ गए. फिर क्या है, एंड देम इन योर हैंड्स एंड फोल्ड योर ड्रेस. अब आपने क्या किया, उसे हैंड से निकाला और अपने ड्रेस को थोड़ा फोल्ड किया. ठीक है. आर दिस चेंजेस रिवर्सिबल? आर दिस चेंजेस रिवर्सिबल? यस, इट इज रिवर्सिबल. अरे हमने कपड़ा फोल्ड किया बट उसको तुम फिर बाद में कुछ शेप निकाल सकते हैं. दैट इज फिजिकल चेंजेस. इफ वी आर फोल्डिंग द क्लॉथ, सपोज टू बी some waters are fallen, and till that height we can give, that cloth will wait, so that we will fold the cloth. So that can be reversible. Suppose to be we have removed the shoes, we can wear again. So these all are the reversible changes. Okay, students, these are physical changes. So see the question about next. Doctor supply a thick coat of plaster of Paris, that is called POP, plaster of Paris. When any person fall from the height and after that their bones were broken, in such conditions doctors, that is called, कहते हैं हम लोग कहते हैं ना बेटा कि उससे प्लास्टर हुआ, that is plaster of Paris. Okay, see, so over the bandage on featured with the POP becomes hard and drying and keeps the featured one abolished. Is it reversible changes? So ये पूछ रहा है बेटा कि जो हम डॉक्टर्स यूज करते हैं प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस किसी पर्सन, किसी पेशेंट के लिए, उनकी हड्डियां वगैरह जब ब्रोक हो जाती है तो उनको जो प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस एक बैंडेज के थ्रू लगाया जाता है, बैंडेज पे लगाया जाता है. तो वही क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि क्या ये रिवर्सिबल चेंज है, क्या हम इसे वापस ला सकते हैं? तो वापस नहीं ला सकते बेटा. इट इज नॉट रिवर्सिबल चेंज, इट इज इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. It is irreversible change. Why? Because supposed to be if we bring in the first phase, so their function will not like that. So definitely we can say that it is chemical changes. Sessions classify the following as reversible or irreversible change. Reversible change, it means physical change. See, sharpening of pencils, freezing of water, opening of word. No, I will not discuss about this question. It's your work. Okay. So it is all about the chapter number 6, the recapitulation. I have already instructed you. Already I tell you how to write answer. Question number 8 answers. Already I will send you. Okay. Already I will send you in the PDF file. So now it's your duty to mention all the answers in the notes copy and go through it. And be sure during the examination, no need of the copy the answer from any notes copy or any notes what I used to send you. Okay, and after that before writing anything in your notebook, you need to answer sheet while the examination is going. On that time, it must be your handwriting neat and clean. Your writing neat and clean without errorless. A spelling should not be wrong. Okay, so okay, bye bye. Thank you.